Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I am going to show you Canva photo editing tutorial. So if you love editing and if you're looking for an editing tool with a user-friendly interface, then this tutorial is for you. So first, go to any web browser and then type Canva and make sure that you have your Canva account right here. If you don't have an account yet, then you can create or sign up for an account using your Google account or your Gmail. So this is what it looks like. This is Canva's interface. To start, you can tap this create a design and then look for that specific dimension right here. For example, Pinterest, Facebook, TikTok, everything is up to you. And then you can look for that specific dimension and edit your photo using this kind of template. For example, if you're looking for the correct size of Pinterest, if you want to post something on Pinterest, or if you want to post your picture, let's just say in Twitter, Snapchat, or Facebook, you can just simply tap create a design and then type that specific social media platform. Okay, for example, Facebook cover. Okay, so this is the correct dimension or size if you want to edit something like your picture or if you want to add something for your Facebook cover. Okay, so let's jump into editing photo. So for example, if you want to set this as your Facebook cover, all you have to do is to drag your photo and then start to edit. However, there is also another way on how to edit your photo, and that is to simply upload your photo right here if you want to upload your photo without affecting its size. Okay, so you can edit the image or you can edit this in a new design. So this is the photo which I'm going to edit. So if you have upgraded your Canva into Pro, then probably you can use this BG remover and you can remove the background of your photo. So the only thing that will remain here is that the picture of the person or the object. Let's start with design. If you want to use some of the designs right here and then put or insert your picture to any of this, for example, this wine, okay, all you have to do is to drag your picture to the specific squares right here. I'm going to show you what it looks like. For example, this one right here. I'm going to drag my picture and I'm going to place it to each of the frame here in this design. So for example, this one right here, add this to this frame. Okay, so that is for the design. For elements, now if you want to edit your photo and if you want to add something like an element or a specific object, let's just say you want to add some grass, you want to add some stones or anything that is related to nature or related to your background here on your picture. Basically, you can go to elements, go to the search icon, and then look for the specific object or element that you want to add here. For example, if you want to add grass, okay, so you can just simply place it anywhere inside the picture. You can edit this like if you want it to, decrease transparency, something like that, or, everything is up to you. You can just simply click the picture and then edit. Also, if you want to add stones or if you want to add something like water or anything, you can just basically go to elements and then search a specific keyword, go to graphics or photos, and then drag that element or object here in the picture. You can look for more elements such as hats, umbrella, and so on. Talking about text, if you want to add a caption or if you want to add a text here to your photo, then all you have to do is to click this text feature or option below elements, and you have options here like add a text box or add a heading and subheading. This time I'm going to use this add a heading right here and then type my rules. If you want to edit, tap this Canvas Sans and look for the specific font style that you want to use. Change the color, tap the color right here. You can change the color if you want. And then if you want to make it bold, italic, if you want to add effects such as a shadow, lift, outline, everything is up to you. So basically, if you want to increase intensity, just drag the circle up or decrease down. Okay, so that's how you simply add text here to your photo and place it anywhere. Okay, you can also decrease transparency if you want, so tap transparency and then decrease. Okay, so this is for the text. Now, if you want to simply add another text from the given, fonts right here, you can just simply drag and edit. For brand, then we can skip this part actually. Now, if you want filters and effects to your picture, all you have to do is to click your picture and then tap this edit above. Now, since I'm using Canva Pro, then I can see here tons of applications and features and editing tools that I can use. But if you're using the free or basic version, you can't use this. So we have here page remover, magic eraser, grab text, which are indeed very useful. Also, if you want to just simply try this out, as you can see, if I tap this page remover, it will remove the background of the picture. If you want to use this magic eraser, it will erase a specific, area on the picture. Let's just say you don't want this part right here. Okay, so you just have to simply highlight this. You can adjust the brush and then type erase or tap erase. Okay, and also if you want to see a more option here, such as filters. Okay, so if you go and see all, then you can see different filters here and different options. Okay, so let me try something. For example, this one. Okay, so you can just simply select that nice filter for your picture here. There are tons of filters that you can use. Okay, and then let's go on to this effect. So we have here this one, like if you want to add shadow, if you want to add something like outline or page lift, then you can go to shadows effect. Also, if you go back and then tap this duotone right here, then you can choose from any of this duotone effect right here. Okay, so for example, this one, which is really stunning for me. Okay, and look for other options and features inside these effects. Again, you can only use these tools if you have upgraded your Canva into Pro. Okay, so I strongly suggest that you upgrade your plan into Pro, but it's okay if you don't, you can still edit here in Canva. Okay, so for applications, if you have upgraded your plan to Pro, then you can use this Macops. You can use other application here like Will Create for something like if you want to do quizzes. But for editing photo, then you can simply use this one right here, but you need to upgrade your plan again. Okay, now I'm going to show you the advantage of this page remover. So I'm going to remove the background of my picture and I'm going to add another picture and change the background rather. So let me remove the background of my picture first. Okay, put it right here, set image as background, tap this picture remover or add another picture above. Okay, and then tap this one, click picture remover, wait for a couple of seconds, and let me save this one first. Okay, so I'm going to save this one first because I kind of drag it up. So let me save this picture or this image with that background, download, and then go to the first page right here. Okay, make sure that you did not include the first page. Okay, so after that, upload the picture and then drag this to the picture that I have added to the first page. Okay, so that's the good thing about this page remover. You can change the background of your photo. Okay, so let me tap this mountains and for example seas, but you can still see the picture right here. And everything is up to you if you want to decrease transparency and so on. So basically, that's how easy it is for a Canva photo editing tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. See you again in our next video tutorials.